Wouldn't we all really love to know what's in the junk drawer in our kitchens? Well, these kitchen accessories give a space and a place to organize a variety of kitchen accessories. Label this a must-have, the drawer peg system. It can be trimmed for a custom fit in any drawer, and you'll love the way that the pegs can easily be changed to accommodate different pieces. Keep everything clean and sharp with the knife block insert. Conveniently and safely store your knives together in one complete drawer system. Different faces for different places. Introducing the cutlery, the utility, the spice, and the K-cup tray inserts. All transform your messy countertop corner into a clean and accessible drawer upgrade that you'll love. No matter what you choose to organize, any of these options will help you better utilize all of that extra space. A place for everything and everything in its place. And for a busy kitchen, these organizers are the perfect solution.